Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying platforms and accounts so nothing breaks mid-transfer. Start on the source machine, load GTAV, open story mode, and create a fresh manual save to ensure the latest progress. Once done, upload that save to the platform cloud or copy it to a FAT32/XFAT USB drive. Make sure you're signed into your Rockstar Social Club account. This links profile stats and unlocks. If using cross-save tools, enable them now and confirm the save timestamp matches the file you intend to move. Now perform the actual copy. If both consoles support cloud saves, download the file on the target console and overwrite local save when prompted. For USB transfers, plug the drive into the source, copy the save folder, then connect to the target and paste into the proper save directory. On PC, copy the GTAV profile folder, then place it on the other PC's documents path. Make sure to preserve exact file names and timestamps so the game recognizes the imported data. Finish by launching GTAV on the target system and loading the transferred save to confirm hours, money, and story progress are intact. Make sure to sign into Rockstar Social Club and allow any automatic stat sync. This reconciles online character data. If the save fails to load, don't panic. First, verify file path and naming, confirm USB format, FAT32/XFAT, and ensure both systems use the same social club account. If problems persist, re-upload the original backup and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.